You're part of the plan for a new kind of man.
Hi, I'm Scott Caesar, and this is Manhood Minute, brought to you by A New Kind of Man, the radio show that teaches a man how to strengthen himself in the Lord, every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Hey, there's so much talk about the abundant life, but if we're brutally honest, most men see so precious little of it. But let me ask you a question. How bad do you want the abundant life? How bad? Bad enough to want the favor of God, I bet. But let me tell you a story about a young man who visits the ancient Socrates in search of wisdom. To the young man's surprise, Socrates takes him out to the lake and dunks his head under the water. As the man struggles, he comes up for air, but Socrates holds him under. Later, after recovering, the young man asked Socrates, why did he nearly drown him? Socrates told him, what is it you most wanted when you were under that water? Air, the young man replies. Socrates says, when your desire for wisdom is as great as your desire to breathe, you will find wisdom. Well, most of us say we want God, but when you really want Jesus as bad as you want to breathe, then you will get him. We don't have Jesus because we don't really want to pay the price of discipline. We let the good life ruin a great life, don't we? I know I do. But do we really want him as bad as sleep? Do we really want Jesus as bad as TV, money? Do we really want as bad as being liked and approved by our peers? Well, man of God, when I want it as bad as, go ahead, fill in the blank, if we're really honest, we listen to 1 Timothy 4:7. Discipline yourselves for the purpose of godliness. Discipline, not desire, determines a man's destiny. My brother, we will prosper and be in good health as our soul prospers. Hey, join me every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. or log on to mensdiscipleshipnetwork.com. Or better yet, visit us at our weekly studies in biblical manhood, Mondays, Tuesdays, or Thursdays. This is Scott Caesar.
You're